I really love that it is packed. Give me that sound effect. Packed. Yeah. Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara and passing it on is my passion. Today it is all about skincare, so if you guys are interested about skincare, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. For updates, you can also check out my socials. I am on Instagram and Facebook. For today's video, I'll be doing a review on my favorite skincare products from Lana. It is a local brand. I'll be sharing with you more about the brand in a few. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Lana PH is a local, safe, and zero-waste lifestyle brand that lets you be you. They aim to take care of you and Mama Earth while you take on the world. Their products are proudly made in the Philippines, not tested on animals, and mindfully manufactured and packaged. Their products include Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock, Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser, DNA Repair Elixir, Lash and Brow Serum, 100% pure argan oil, brightening soap, age-defying soap, activated charcoal soap, and they just recently launched the Deep Hydrating Rice Toner. They also have skincare bundles, other products, and they have a one tree planted program wherein they donate one tree under your name for purchases at 1,399 pesos above. More details on their website. By the way, their products are available in SHOPEE and Lazada. I'll place the links at the description box. However, if you purchase on their website, you can use my code TrulyTara and you get 5% discount. Now, among all the products that I mentioned, again, I'll be doing a review on my favorites. Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. As you can see, I really have been using it. And the Lana Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock, and the DNA Repair Elixir. I know, I still have their old packaging. So they have a new packaging. So I'll just place a pictures of their new packaging here somewhere on the screen. Okay, how about their other skincare products, Tar? You might be asking. The thing is, with our soaps, I haven't really used them. See? So I have yet to use their soaps. I will be doing a separate review on these. Stay tuned. And for their argan oil, I really have bad experiences in using oil-based skincare products because I have combination to oily skin. So I just use this for my hands because of frequent hand washing, you know how it is, new normal. And I also use this for my hair. So yeah, and for the lash and brow serum, I know I do not have thick brows, but to be honest, it really doesn't concern me, so I tend to forget using this. So I really can't say much on this one. But for these three, I have been really using them, as you can see. Ta-da! So here it goes, my review on my Lana PH skincare faves. Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. Experienced extra dry or extra oily skin caused by synthetic, harsh, and abrasive soaps? Lana PH Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser is a fragrance and soap-free formula perfect for those with sensitive skin. It thoroughly cleanses and gently exfoliates your skin while retaining its natural moisture. It keeps skin dewy and fresh looking with its moisturizing ingredients. Also helps heal and reduce itching, inflammation, enlarged pores, and weakened skin surface. Its key ingredients include niacinamide, oat protein, and panthenol. Full ingredients list and other details on their website. Works on acne-prone, dry, sensitive, oily, and combination skin. Available in 200 ml at 599 pesos. Directions for use. Massage a generous amount on skin. Rinse with water to leave skin soft and moisturized. So we are talking about my skincare favorites from Lana PH. So obviously for my review, I'm going to be sharing the things that I love about each product. Starting off with our Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. This is one of my favorite gentle cleansers. Definitely, if you are looking for a gentle cleanser, I recommend this. And although it is a gentle cleanser, I really love that it is packed. Give me that sound effect. Packed, yes. It is packed with really good quality ingredients, oat protein, niacinamide, vitamin E, very good for the skin. And for its claims, repair skin barrier and reduces inflammation, keeps skin looking dewy, hydrated, and fresh. By the way, I really bring this whenever we travel, especially during summer. I really love using this after exposing myself, after exposing my skin under the heat of the sun. I really love using this because it is very soothing, truly. Gently removes dead skin cells, soothes and softens skin. Very, very true. Check, 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 check. Yes. And I love using this as well. Apologies for any sudden noise, by the way. I really love using this in the morning. Very gentle. And in the evening as well, especially when I do double cleanse. This is one of the cleansers that I use. DNA Repair Elixir. Tired of breakouts, dull and dry skin, dark and uneven spots on your face? Meet Lana's best-selling DNA Repair Elixir Serum with its natural yet superior formula that deeply hydrates, brightens, and shields your skin against everyday pollutants. Definitely your next holy grail. Helps heal acne, even out skin tone, minimize skin redness, and lightens pimple marks. Also deeply hydrates, brightens, and tightens your skin with a long-term firming effect. Its key ingredients include Centella asiatica, collagen, niacinamide, and sodium hyaluronate. Works on acne-prone, dry, sensitive, oily, and combination skin. Full ingredients list and other details on their website. Available in 20 ml at 549 pesos and 40 ml at 949 pesos. Directions for use. Apply at least 2 pumps onto face and neck. Use twice daily. The ingredients. Another skincare product from Lana PH that is really packed with good quality ingredients, and a little goes a long way. I use this every night, and I have to say, every time I use this, my skin really feels hydrated. That's really one of the things that I super duper love about the DNA Repair Elixir. And I really feel that my skin is, tightened, and it really gives you that firming effect. So yes, definitely a holy grail. Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock. Don't you just hate sticky sunblocks that leave you with that dreadful white cast? Look your best and shield your skin from UVA and UVB rays with Lana PH Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock SPF 80. It has a special formula that helps brighten your skin and even out dark spots caused by sun damage. Protects you from the UVA and UVB rays with SPF 80. Lightweight, finishes matte, and works well under makeup. Can also be used as a substitute to a makeup primer. Available in 50 ml for 300 pesos, 100 ml for 550 pesos. Works on acne-prone, dry, sensitive, oily, and combination skin. Full ingredients list and other details on their website. Directions for use. Apply liberally on skin at least 15 minutes before sun exposure. If you follow me on my socials, I posted about this a long time ago. This product has really aced what I am looking for in a sunscreen. Here, let me tell you. Number one, it has SPF 80. That alone is packed. You know what I mean? We have to have at least SPF 30, and this has SPF 80. Hello. And it has PA++++. 4 pluses, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Therefore, it really gives you that assurance that it protects you from UVAs and UVBs, aging and burning rays, broad spectrum UVA and UVB. It is water resistant. It has a matte finish, non-sticky, can be used as a primer, and plus it has no white cast and it brightens the skin. Hello? Check, 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 check. Right? If you're looking for an everyday sunblock that is affordable, by the way, I definitely recommend the Lana Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock. And I really have been using this. I have been using all the products that I shared. Like, hello, from here to here. This one from here to here. And for the DNA Repair Elixir, here. OMG, from here to here. And other things that I love about their products, I already mentioned them a while ago, but let me just repeat it. They are locally made in the Philippines, proudly made here in the Philippines. Second, cruelty-free, not tested on animals. Third, zero waste. They are mindfully packaged and manufactured. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. Again, if you want to purchase from Lana PH and you want to get a 5% discount, you can purchase from their website using my code TrulyTara. See you in the next one, stars. Bye!